Learn how to tell your woman you are sorry. It won't take anything from you.
This particular one will take everything from me. I'm not telling her anything.
Uche, we do not carry our pride and ego to the grave. When we die, our pride and ego is rubbish. Listen, let me tell you. When we're in love, we should learn how to do away with hurtful words. Uche, bring your girl closer. Ask her those attributes of her father that she's talking about and know the areas you can come in. Listen, let me tell you. Learn how to say sorry, even to a little boy or girl, because saying sorry is the only thing that can melt a wounded heart.
I never knew you were such a talented lecturer. Give your lectures to those who need it. I don't.
Now leave him.
Now leave me alone. Leave me alone. You cannot be loving me. An ordinary 3,000 naira you cannot give to me. Ah, what is it now? Every time I love you, I love you, I love you. Is it love I will eat? No, tell me. Is it love I'm going to eat? What's that? I've told you to leave me alone. Let me look for somebody else that can take care of me. But you will not listen. Every time I love you, I love you. We have been friends since secondary school. Up till now. You even went to do one boy, came back empty-handed. Anytime I ask you for money, you tell me stories. I love you, I love you, I love you.
Babe, but you know everything. You know everything now. See, don't worry. Very soon, just very soon, everything will be alright, okay? Yes.
Everything will be alright, as in, when? No, tell me the day and the time so that I'll wait for that day to come. When will everything be alright? What are you saying? It's not like you have something doing. There's no hope. When it comes to you, there's no hope at all. Or you're expecting God to just throw manna from heaven. Is that possible? Your uncle has turned his back on you, and is your family only hope. Where do you expect to get money from? The next thing now you start driving keke or okada or even farm work. And you're telling me you love me. Please, I reject it. I can never jump from poverty to poverty.
Chioma. Chioma. You are surprising me. Where is all these talks coming from?
Ikenna, when you claim you love a woman and you cannot provide her needs, her wants, that is where all this is coming from. What do you expect me to do? Do you expect I should clap for you or I should dance for you? Is that what you want? No, let me just jump and hug you. No, that is what you want now. I think when you finish secondary school, I would have advised you join these internet boys. They are really making it. The other day at Oba, you saw the way they were just throwing money up and down. That is the type of men I want. Don't look at me, oh. Don't just look at me like that.
This is not the Chioma that I know. A lot has gone wrong.
Yes, because I need money. I need 3,000 naira. No. Please, I do not have time to waste with men that tell story.
Okay, Chioma, let me be honest to you now. I don't have money. I am very broke. And what we are doing now is to save for my sister's eye operation. You know, if I have, I will give you like I used to do before. And stop talking all this rubbish.
Ikenna, me, Chioma, is talking rubbish. No, because I'm asking my boyfriend for 3,000 naira, I am now talking rubbish. Okay, no problem. Don't even touch me. Do not touch me. Don't touch me. By the time you see me with another man, and you cough, I will show you the other side of me. Me, I'm talking rubbish. You will not go and liberate that your stinking poor family out of poverty. Especially that your sister that is about going blind. Nonsense.
Yeah, Nonso? Yeah, good morning. Please, can you come to Filmon Avenue? My car just stopped me there. Yeah, I don't know what actually happened. The thing was giving me sign this morning. Only for me to get here, the thing stopped. Yeah, I think it's an electrical fault. Please come, or better still, send one of your boys. Yeah, at Filmon Avenue. Okay, please, I'm waiting. What kind of problem is this, huh?
My brothers, I don't have money. And I don't want to quarrel with my brother. All I want is peace between us.
Yes, you want peace, but that should not mean that you cannot stand on your right. So, he can come here now and chase you out of this house. Bia Nduka, don't get me angry.
Peace indeed. But should I go and fight him?
No, you won't do that. And he will never chase you out from this house. He is your brother. Yes, he built this house on your inheritance. Yes, that's it. And this time around, we will invite him again. If he doesn't come, well, the whole community will come into this matter. Yes.
I know my brother. He won't honor the invitation.
Then we draw the line and show him the face of the vampire. I am done talking about this. But Ndoka, you should be a man. Huh?
Okay.
You have to be a man. Fight for your rights. You are the elder brother. Imagine the madanya. Nonsense. Ndoka, do you see anger on Okafor's face? Ndoka, umama nagama. Anywa bomo na akwụkwọ n'azụ. Everything shall be well. Oh? Anyway, so can be happy.
Thank you. Well,
Shama, how did you go? My dear, no hope. Oh. You gave me no money. Why are you laughing? What's the meaning of that?
Choma, everything is funny. You are funny. And that your boyfriend is also funny.
I don't understand what you meant by that.
What I mean is that you should leave that poor boy and look for somebody that can take care of you. A boyfriend that cannot afford common 3,000 naira for his girlfriend. Is that one a boyfriend? Choma, open your eyes. Open your eyes very well. Ikenna, not be material. Let him settle his father and his sister first. And come, well, let me tell you for real. You need to start looking beyond all these local village boys.
I've already told him. I've told him that if there's no money, there's no love, and there's no relationship.
Simple and short. That is what I expect from you. Look, there are guys out there that are willing to take care of you, change your life. You're here wasting your time with that poor Ikenna. The fact that both of you were friends in secondary school does not mean he's going to marry you tomorrow. Follow who no road, Biko. Every time Ikenna, somebody will not hear word. Ikenna, love, love, love. You're here doing love. You're not going to look for money.
who used my ATM card to withdraw money from my account. Melissa.
Dad.
You are the only one who knows my PIN and who has access to where I kept the card.
Sorry, when was this money withdrawn?
Well, I don't know, but I received an alert today. Or are you saying that the card suddenly developed wings, flew to the bank, and withdrew the money?
Daddy, I don't know.
Where is my card?
Daddy, I don't know. I might know your PIN, but I don't have your card. You know there are a lot of scammers now, and maybe you misplaced the card. I'll suggest you call your bank and block the card before they use it. I don't know where it is. Meanwhile, Dad, I wanted to talk to you about something. Is it true you traveled to the village to harass Uncle Nduka again?
You have not answered my question.
Daddy, is it true? But that's the height of wickedness. How can you be doing this all the time, harassing the poor man?
What did you say? What did you say? How dare you?
Listen.
How dare you? How many times have I warned you to mind your language in this house? I'm talking about my money and my car that you took, and you're talking rubbish?
Daddy, you slapped me.
And I will slap you again. Now, if I don't get my 300,000 that was withdrawn from my account by tomorrow morning, I will make life miserable for whoever took my money. Is that understood?
Hello, baby.
Good evening, baby. How are you?
I'm fine. I'm okay.
What is it? You don't sound fine at all. Is everything alright?
I had issues with my dad.
Wait a minute. Did he touch you?
Babes, you know, can we talk tomorrow? I'm not in the right frame of mind now.
Melissa, please. Don't drop the call. Please. Come on, baby. What is it? Alright, why are you crying? Can you stop? Stop. You know what? I think you should just come home first thing tomorrow.
Babes, I don't think I can make it. My cousin's sister, she's going blind. And my father...
Babe. Oh, stop. Can you... You know I hate to... Stop now. Stop crying. Stop. Nothing will happen to your cousin. She will not go... Oh... Babe. Please. Stop crying. Your sister will not go blind. Oh... It's alright. So it's okay. Alright, do me one favor. Try and sleep. Alright?
Okay, babes,
I'll talk to you tomorrow. Thank you.
Victoria, where is your daughter?
She should be here.
She's not there. I will not take anything for granted in this house. Thank God I have a son that is schooling abroad. And so I'm not a father to a lone child. Now, you call your daughter, tell her to bring my money and my ATM card. If not, I will kill her and nothing will happen. Ugochukwu, call your sister to order now. If not, I will do something that everyone will regret. Don't ask me questions. Just call her.
Hey, Nelson, nah. Why did you have to disturb a boy who is in school and probably in class now? Must you relate everything to him?
Oh yes. I have to relate everything to him because he's my son and my heir. And I have the right to tell him everything he needs to know. Oh, I'm coming.
Ask my guy where you go sit.
I'm okay, busy.
Thank God I see you today. You're welcome.
I'll be coming up.
I go inside.
Your boss inside.
Oh, no, inside. Baba inside. Hey, I'm on inside. Thank God I see you today. Hey. Woo! Why you okay? This is over 500. That's what you make a big deal.
Hey, baby.
Hey. Hey. Oh! What's up, darling? Come on. You good?
Yes, I'm okay.
You got me worried, honestly. I've been thinking about you. Never seen you worried, never seen you emotional like this. I thought it was just the issue you had with your father.
It is. Or more. You know, I didn't know my father had issues with his brother. Not until my grandmother's burial. Though sometimes in the past when we go home, traveling for Christmas or for an event, he would not let us pass the night in our grandmother's house because my uncle lives there. I didn't know. Though I remember one time my uncle came to our house and my father didn't let him come in. And he didn't even see him. That was when I started suspecting.
So, you're not aware of your father's issue with his brother?
I don't know what the issue is. I know I asked my uncle and he said he doesn't know either. I tried asking my father and he shouted at me. My cousins are lovely. They are adorable and I don't have any issue with them. Chinwe, who is more like an only sister to me, she's gradually going blind. She has this high problem that has been lingering for long and nobody's doing anything about it. And then Ikenna, the only brother she has, served someone for 7 years. Towards the time of his settlement, the man accused him of stealing. And I know Ikenna very well. He did not do it. He just didn't want to settle the poor guy. Now Chinwe is in this situation and my father is not helping. And the poor girl is going blind gradually every day. So helpless, I don't know what to do.
You have all this problem with your father, yet you want to make sure your sister sees again. So, what exactly is wrong with your sister?
The doctor said it's cataract. And if not operated on, she will go blind completely.
Your sister will not go blind.
She's too young. She's too young to go through all this.
It's alright.
She didn't do anything wrong. I can't just sit back and watch her go blind. I can't.
It's okay. It's okay.
My mother and I, we've tried to come up with some money in any way we can. But my father froze our accounts. He froze my personal account and froze my mom's joint account with him. So there was no way for us to come up with any money at all from anywhere. I didn't have any option but to steal his ATM card. Babes, I had to. I can't just fold my hands and watch my cousin go blind when there is money sitting in my father's account doing nothing. I can't just sit back and watch the poor girl's life vanish in front of her. I had to do something. I had to steal his money.
It's alright. You have to put yourself together. Your sister will never go blind.
Babes, I'm trying, but I can't.
It's alright.
I can't.
You already know I hate to see you like this. How much would the operation cost?
The last time she went to see the optician, he said 300,000 naira for a start. He didn't actually give us the specific amount.
It's alright.
She's so nice.
It's okay.
She's such a wonderful person.
It's alright.
She's still young. Imagine me going blind. That's what it looks like.
That's enough. What beats my imagination is the kind of emotion you show towards your sister. I like the gesture. I like the fact that you will stop at nothing until she receives her sight. We are in this together. I promise you, I'll do anything. I'll do everything possible to make your sister see again.
Thanks, babes. I wish you know Chiwendo. I wish you know her. I wish you've met her. You would know why I feel this way. She's such a wonderful person. She's so full of life for her life to go dark all of a sudden. She's an angel. So I'm not just doing this because she's my sister. I'm doing this because she's a wonderful person. Please, I don't know what to do. I really don't know. I've been...
Breathe. 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 Good. Not everyone would do what you're doing now. Not everyone has this kind of heart that you have. So you relax. And then you stop crying.
Can the most beautiful woman in this world give me a wink or a smile?
You stop.
Babe, I'm just trying to cheer you up.
Just stop. Just.
Alright. It's alright. Stop. It's okay. Put yourself together. You know what you do now? You stay here. You stop crying. I'll quickly go upstairs, freshen up, and then we would head to the village together. Yes. We are going to the village together. I'll just call Steven up, and then we all will go. We'll provide money for the operation. Your sister Chiwendo will see again. She is also my sister.
Baby.
Yes.
Are you for real?
I mean every last word.
It's okay. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you.
It's okay. Stop. Do you want me to start crying? Stop.
Thank you.
It's okay.
I appreciate this. I do. I don't know what to say.
I will do anything for you. Anything. As long as it makes you happy.
Uchenna, I love you. I love you so much. Thank you. God bless you.
It's alright. I just want you to be happy. That's all. So you wait here and you give me 5 minutes. Thank you. I'll be right back.
Okay.
Yo, Steve. What's up? Yeah.
Ugochukwu, it's okay. I've heard you. Yes. I know you believe anything he says because he's your father and you trust him, right? Yes, of course, that's what you always do. But you should Ugochukwu, you should remember that Ikenna is the first son of his father, just like his own father. Why don't you call your father and tell him that what he is doing is bad? Ugochukwu, please. Enough of the nonsense, please. Just, it's okay. Believe whatever you like, but tell your father that what he is doing is wrong.
Also, good afternoon, sir.
Where's your guy?
He there inside.
Okay.
Steve, good afternoon.
Yeah, good afternoon.
Welcome. I'm fine, and you?
I'm okay.
Where is Uche?
He's in his room.
What is the huge problem Uche briefed me on the phone? Are you good?
I'm fine. Well, it's not that huge. But don't worry, when you see him, he will brief you.
Okay. You say he's in his room? Yes. Okay, let me see him. Everything will be fine, okay? Don't worry yourself.
Thank you, Steve.
Of course, everything will be fine. Thank you, Steve. Excuse me, please.
Babes, come on. Babes.
Oh, let me just say the way he said it. Everything will be fine.
Really, come on. You always find a way to make me laugh.
Of course, I'm supposed to be your entertainer. Huh? Shall we? Sorry. You first.
Okay. Thank you.
Every chori jeki geje. Okwisi na muga fuzo chuboki. Amara nanga fuzo so. Chinemi esirike. Ọtụtụ mkpụrụ obi ahụ nke dara mba. Anya nwaji afụzọ ya ọnụ na-agụrụ m egwu. O ji olu m wee mere nni. Ọkwa mkpọgogo n'ịna-aza amara m otu ị ga-esi mee ya. Chetakwa n'ọdịgo dị ọzọ anyị nwere. Ọ bụrụ ego ka anyị nwere. Mana o doro m anya na m nwere Chukwu. Chineke na-agaghị ekwe, ọ gaghị ekwe ihe m ji na-atụ gị, ọ bụ na m mara na akatụ ị gaghị ekwe. Papa, are you there?
She's me. Your sister.
Very. Hey, one day more, good to see you. Your father allowed me to come out. Hey.
How are you?
I'm fine. You came with someone?
Yes, I came with my friends.
Hey, no.
No.
Welcome.
She were my cousin, the one I told you about.
Now welcome. Welcome. No. Welcome.
Where is everyone?
Ikenna. Papa. Hello, Nazulo. Papa.
Melio. Oh no. You're welcome. You're welcome.
Papa. Papa, she came with someone. With people.
Oh yeah. Oh. You're welcome. You're welcome. Welcome. No.
Hey, so what about this perfume?
Don't worry about it. I brought more.
Don't worry, you should sit first.
Papa,
Hey, none. I don't understand.
Papa, what is it you don't understand? That Chinwe should get ready for her operation or what? What is there not to understand?
Who is going to pay for the operation?
Daddy, please. Whatever the problem is, I do not want you to worry yourself. Cataract, glaucoma, whatever it is will be solved.
Hey, Melissa. You mean I should prepare for an eye operation?
Yes, sister. In fact, let's go in and get ready. We need to leave soon. Okay, now you know the road to our doctor's place, okay?
It's not far.
We're not going there. We're not going there. I have someone who specializes in it. So let's get going to the city. Melissa will accompany her.
Okay. To the city?
Yeah.
Steve, hey, thank you. Thank you. Hey.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. See, please wait. Let's worship. Let's sing this song. Let's sing this song. All my life, what I've been asking, you me here. Hey, please, please don't mind me. Please sing with me. It's a very simple song. One I've asked God for years. He just gave me an answer. Please. Kele Chineke onye ndabe. Do you know it? Kele. Please sing. Chineke onye ndabe. Ekolo kele Chineke na ọbụla ka mụ dabere. Papa sing now, please. Help me and thank God. Asimu kele Chineke na onye kwere na ya o. The God that answers prayer. The God that knows how to remember His children. The Father of the poor. Umwa kele Chineke na onye ndabere.
Who are those boys?
Okay, nah. Like I said, the one on white is my friend. Guinea. He's my boyfriend.
Okay.
And the other one is his friend. I told them about Chinwe's condition. and they decided to help.
Hell. Chineke dalo. Eh? See what a sister is doing for her own sister. Nem. Thank you very much, okay?
It's okay.
My God will bless you.
It's not.
What would we have done without you?
You cannot stop.
Thank you very much. I appreciate it.
See, my prayer is that the operation goes well.
Oh, yes.
That Chinwe regains her sight completely. And when that is sorted out, I need you to be a man. When next he comes, tell him you are the man of this house. Your father is his brother, but you are the first son of your father. And you are not your father. That he should leave the house for you and not your father. Do you understand? Yoya, tell him to leave the house for you, not for your father. He should do it for the sake of you, the children, and not your father. I'm sure he would listen. Plead with him. Yoya, yo.
Thank you very much, yeah?
You're welcome.
I appreciate it. Merely one now.
He can.
Thank you very much, yeah?
No
God bless you.
It's okay. Let's go and check Chinwe if she's
right. Thank you.
ready.
Papa! Ikenna! Papa!
Just in case you didn't.
Same Johnny, oh? My brother, thank you very much. Eh? God bless you. Oh? Ichoma, oh? Bye bye.
It is still like a movie to me.
And fiam! My daughter has gone to do the operation that has been giving me sleepless night.
Papa, that's how God does his own magic. Boy, Papa, Melissa is truly a sister.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. She has the heart of her mother.
Ah, yes.
When my wife died, it was Victoria who gave me money for her burial. She also brought the rice, brought the goat, despite the fact that Nelson told them not to do anything for me. Ikenna, let me sound this note of warning in case I die tomorrow. Let nothing bring any quarrel between you and Victoria. She is a good woman.
No problem, Papa. I've heard you. Thank you very much. Huh?
Please go and get my walking stick. Let me go and see Matthew Okoro, my friend, my very good friend, so that I will share this good news with him.
Oh, Papa, be careful.
I will.
You know all these village people. Be very careful. Okay.
Okay.
Very careful. Eh?
I have heard you.
Okay, thank you, sir. I'm coming.
Yeah.
Has my daughter come to this house today?
No, sir. She never come.
Good. Whenever she comes, don't open that gate until you get my consent. Okay?
Sir?
You're very stupid. You get out from idiot. Come here. Come here. Here. Stand here. What did I say?
You say if your picking come, make I lock it.
You're very stupid. Idiot. If your picking somewhere I love gate. Is that what I told you? Did I say you should lock gate? I said if she comes, don't open that gate for her until you seek my consent.
Yes, sir.
Is that understood?
Yes, sir.
Get out. Nonsense.
Welcome.
Now, listen to me carefully, woman. I can assure you that the gang up with your daughter against me will not work. It will fail. That I can promise you.
I don't know what you're talking about.
Dear customer, the MTN number you have dialed is currently switched off. Please try again later. Thank you.
We have to leave first thing tomorrow morning so we can get to the clinic on time.
Well, in that case, I have to get home because I didn't plan this movement. I need to get some clothes. But I will be here first thing in the morning.
Meanwhile, take your sister to the guest room. She needs to shower and rest.
Chi.
Your sister will take care.
Chi, let's go inside.
And just in case you want to minister, you can as well invite us.
Uche. That will be fine. I'll be glad to. No, but I didn't come with my keyboard though.
At least you came with you.
Yes.
Move.
Okay, sister, hold on. Who is that? Hello? Oh, okay. No problem. No problem.
First of all, Steve, I want to thank you. But honestly, I do not know that Melissa has such a good heart. A golden heart. She's really a nice person and the act is beginning to make me fall. Or should I say I'm falling already? Which or whatever. All she wants is to be sure that her sister is satisfied. Such a golden heart. Her father freezed her account, disconnected the mother from the family's account. All these are just so they do not help the poor girl. The question here is why? Brother fighting brother. And guess what? The children don't even want to know. Brothers at war. Uche is everywhere. I have to run along so I can meet up in the morning. That's right. Why don't you wait so that you can drop Melissa off? Oh, okay. It's alright. Steve, why are brothers fighting against themselves? Come on, Melissa, hurry up. Steven has been waiting to drop you off.
Not yet. I have to make food for Chima. She has not eaten. I have to do something. Maybe, probably noodles.
Noodles? No, is that not going to waste time?
But what do I do? She has to eat.
Alright. Can my boy get her food instead so that you don't keep Steve waiting?
Really?
Yes.
Oh, thanks, babes. Because really, I need to get home now. I know my mom will be worried.
Mom. That's all we hear. You.
Good. Hello, Mom.
She's so addicted to her.
I was just talking about you. Yes. No, when I come back, I'll tell you all about it. No, soon. I'm coming back now. Like in the next 30 minutes, you'll see me. Okay. Okay, Mom. Bye. Love you. Steve, I'm ready.
Mom, that's all we hear.
Babes, can you just stop?
I'm beginning to sound jealous.
Are you jealous of my mom? Baby. Take care of me, okay?
One more, baby.
Oh, stop.
Baby.
Come on, stop.
Alright, I'll miss you.
Miss you too.
So just call me as soon as you get home.
I will. Take care of you, okay?
Alright, bro.
See you tomorrow morning.
Easy. Understand who you're taking home.
It's alright.
You know, right? Drive carefully.
Bro.
Carefully, you know who you're carrying.
Will you shut up? Don't you ever try that again. Fool. If you try it again, I'll sack you. Nonsense. Let's go.
To where?
Mommy, let's go.
To where? Where is the money you took from our account?
Dad, I have told you. I have said it before. I don't know anything about your money. I did not take it.
You did not take my money. And your picture is taken by the ATM machine. And you are here denying.
You're screaming.
Just let me scream.
Please,
Now,
the neighbors are...
Where is my card?
Daddy, please, just go and get a new card and change your PIN. Because I'm not with it. And as for the bank, we'll go there. Let's find out how they have my picture. Because I don't know what you're talking about.
Can we go inside and trash this thing out? We're disturbing the neighbors.
Go in where? My house? No. Go where? Huh? Now let me warn you. I don't want to ever see you close to my brother's children again. Yes. I was only informed that you were dead today. I will not spare you next time. Is that understood?
Daddy, it's not clear. Mommy, leave me alone. It's not clear. How can you stop me from seeing my cousins? How can you stop me from communicating with my cousins? Daddy, if you like, threaten me from now till tomorrow. It will not stop anything.
It's okay.
See, Dad, I appreciate the fact that you've trained me. You gave birth to me. You trained me in school. You've taken care of me all my life. But this time around, you cannot control my life and who I communicate with. You can seize mommy's card that I use or freeze my account, but that will not stop anything. Mom, I'm inside. Biko.
Are you aware that you are still living under my roof? Did you see her? Now, you better talk to her. If not, I will remove her teeth.
Can we just go out inside and trash this out? You're disturbing everybody. Excuse me.
I know what to do.